Have you ever been curious about the mysteries surrounding attracting wealth and abundance? Get ready to explore deeply as we uncover ancient wisdom and scientific revelations that have been concealed for centuries. It may seem unbelievable, but certain plants possess an almost mystical ability to attract money, prosperity, and abundance into your life. These plants are not your ordinary houseplants. They have long been revered as symbols of fortune and wealth in various cultures for millennia. The best part is you don't need any magical tools or elaborate rituals. Simply invite these plants into your space, care for them with love, and witness as they work their metaphysical wonders. Admittedly, I was doubtful at first, but after witnessing the undeniable improvements in my finances and mindset, I became a true believer. These plants are like hidden treasures, more valuable than gold. Let's delve into the enchanting world of the jasmine plant, a significant player in the realm of prosperity. Picture a balmy summer evening where a gentle breeze carries the delightful floral fragrance, surrounding you with a romantic aura that can warm even the coldest hearts. The magic of jasmine extends beyond its beautiful petals and sweet scent. It possesses a mysterious energy that has captivated people for centuries in regions like India, Pakistan, and the Middle East. Not only is jasmine visually appealing, but it also symbolizes love, fertility, and connection to something greater in ancient feng shui teachings. Jasmine is highly regarded for its ability to attract good vibes and abundance. Its pleasant aroma is believed to dispel negative energy, making space for positive things like wealth to flow into your life. By infusing your home with the gentle scent of jasmine, you are essentially inviting prosperity. However, jasmine is not solely about financial gain. It is also beneficial for matters of the heart. Many believe that placing a jasmine plant by the bedroom window or on the patio can ignite passion and strengthen relationships. With its dual ability to attract wealth and love, jasmine is a must-have for those envisioning a life filled with riches and romance. Now, let's move on to our next step: planting the jade plant, also known as the money tree. When it comes to indoor plants that symbolize wealth, the jade plant reigns supreme. This unique succulent holds a rich history dating back thousands of years to ancient Chinese and Buddhist traditions. Regarded as nature's way of providing for us, the jade plant signifies prosperity, growth, and new beginnings. How does this humble plant attract wealth? According to feng shui, its placement is key. By positioning these round plants correctly, you can maximize their potential. Placing your jade plant in the right corner of your home, where wealth and good fortune converge, on the right side as you enter, facing north, is believed to invite positive energy that can usher in prosperity, success, and good luck. However, these plants offer more than financial benefits. They serve as spiritual guardians, maintaining balance emotionally, spiritually, and in nature. Many view them as wise protectors, warding off negative energy and promoting tranquility. Whether you seek financial abundance or a more harmonious life overall, the jade plant can be a faithful companion. Nurture it and prepare for the positive changes it can bring, enhancing your life in various ways. In the realm of plants, there exists a unique one known as the Chinese money plant. This plant has earned the reputation of being favored by affluent individuals and is gaining popularity in wealthy households, despite its simple, pancake-like leaves. The Chinese money plant holds significant importance as it has been believed for a long time to attract wealth. According to ancient teachings, its coin-shaped leaves possess a natural ability to draw in money, serving as a symbol for prosperity. The more of these plant clusters you have, the quicker your wealth is said to increase. Traditional wisdom suggests having numerous Chinese money plants to create a lush green representation of affluence within your living space. Not only does this plant symbolize wealth, but it also signifies overall well-being. Across different cultures, its round leaves are viewed as symbols of unity, wholeness, and interconnectedness. By introducing the lively energy of the Chinese money plant into your environment, it can help enhance various aspects of your life. Regarded as a standout in the world of special plants, the Chinese money plant is adored for its ability to effortlessly elevate the aesthetics of your living space with its charming appeal. Its reputation extends beyond appearance, as it is renowned for its aptitude in attracting wealth, a quality that garners significant respect. Why not give this remarkable plant a chance and join the ranks of those who have welcomed the Chinese money plant into their homes? Don't overlook the basil plant, a simple herb cherished not only for its flavor, but also for its reputed ability to attract wealth and ward off negative energy. In various beliefs, basil is considered a potent herb that brings prosperity, success, and shields from negative influences. Hindus view basil as a sacred plant linked to wealth and fortune goddesses. Having a basil plant in your kitchen is akin to welcoming these divine forces that oversee desires and spiritual abundance. In feng shui, basil is regarded as a powerful talisman for drawing money and providing protection. Its robust fragrance is believed to form a protective barrier, repelling negative vibes and transforming them into positive energy. Placing a basil plant near your front door promotes a continuous flow of money while dispelling feelings of scarcity. Whether you opt for classic sweet basil or the vibrant purple variety, think of this flavorful herb as more than just a culinary ingredient. It can safeguard your palate and your finances. When money is on your mind, the aroma of basil may evoke thoughts of potential wealth. Another symbol of prosperity is the lucky bamboo, representing increasing abundance. This elegant plant has gained popularity among indoor gardeners, especially those seeking greater financial success. Unlike basil, lucky bamboo derives its significance from ancient Asian beliefs. Its tall green stems symbolize strength, growth, and prosperity in feng shui teachings. Seen as a symbol of good fortune, having lucky bamboo can be linked to success in financial matters, career advancement, and achieving goals. Some believe that having lucky bamboo nearby can uplift spirits, align with the flow of wealth, and attract opportunities. The number of stems in lucky bamboo can influence the level of good luck it brings. For instance, 9 stems may signify abundant luck and wealth. Lucky bamboo's benefits go beyond aesthetics. It purifies the air by eliminating negative energies and electromagnetic disturbances. Its upright form promotes smooth energy flow, creating a conducive environment for growth and positive occurrences. Whether or not you believe in ancient plant symbolism, having these plants around serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness between nature and people. Consider adding these plant companions to your living space. Even if you don't experience immediate financial gains, their presence can contribute to a sense of calmness and joy,